Developed for the United States Army Air Corps by Boeing, this heavy bomber was named the Flying Fortress. The first flight took place in 1935, and it was introduced in 1938. More than 12,000 B-17s were constructed. During World War II, the Flying Fortress was deployed on all fronts. The bomber measured more than 22 meters in length and about 6 meters in height, and had a wingspan of 31 meters. With a maximum takeoff weight of 24.5 tons, this monster was powered by 4 motors, each producing 1,200 horsepower. With a crew of 10 on board, the aircraft had a combat range greater than 3,000 kilometers. It also reached a cruising speed of 300 kilometers per hour and a service ceiling of more than 10,000 meters. However, it was not due to these impressive specifications that the aircraft was named the Flying Fortress. This was because of its armament. First, 11 machine guns, and later 13, jutted out from the dorsal, ventral, nose, and tail machine gun turrets. This provided adequate protection for the B-17, which dropped its 2,300 kilograms of bombs on the enemy. During World War II, squadrons of B-17 bombers dropped a total of 650,000 tons of bombs. The most notable Flying Fortress was Memphis Belle, which took part in 25 successful combat missions on the European battlefield. The story of the aircraft and of its crew has been the subject of a number of Hollywood productions.